Good day again, everyone. I am Alex Jiran Maranan from this ITSOA, and for the next activity, we will be installing Windows 10 in Oracle VirtualBox. So let's open up the Oracle VirtualBox and click New. So let's type in Windows 10. This time, click the ISO, in which we can find it in Downloads. Oh no, Windows ISO. Win 10. Where's the Windows 10? Oh, there you go. Windows 10 ISO. Then skip unattended install, finish, and let's go boot it up. Bakit hindi nagagalaw? Ay, nagalaw na ulit. Nice, nagalaw. There we go. Installation of Windows 10. Quite similar to Windows 8.1. So let's just do the process. Leave everything as default. Next, install now. Oh, let's skip this one. I don't have a product key. Then let's go with Windows 10 Pro. Next, I accept the license terms. Next, custom install Windows only. Next, there you go. The waiting game again. Pandemic time. Tagal ah. Oh, 44%. Installing updates, good. Maybe right back again. started. Still recording, guys. Lama. Oh. Getting ready. It's going to be ready.
Saka, magbalik ko ng buksan gaming sa akin ng papa. Diba? Lingkod ko na naman. Pagod siya. Nakaupo lang natin sa phone. Nakaharap sa laptop.
Hindi na sakit na.
Yan.
Pagaling na. Pwede na pumedal. Yun ay kung merong roleplay. Eh, wala. Ooh. Don't press any key since it will go to the ISO setup file. Let's just leave it as is. Let's just wait for the Windows to be loaded, to be installed, and to be booted. Hard work waiting for it. There you go. Looking good.
Sabi mo, di ba may gumawa ng bigyan?
Ano gogi? Yung bata ba yung nakuha ko kanina?
Wala. Baka. Oh no, she's gone. Taas!
Uy! Ay! Araw malam. Let's start with Britain, United States, yes. Since default setup ng command. US, yes. Agree out, skip. As long as we are able to install the Windows 10, then that's our on, we're good. Oh. Please don't turn off your device. It's a really long time now. I don't plan on editing this one now.
Siguro. Hindi talaga.
It's taking a long time. Okay, we got to its part of setup. Yeah, I think the setup is now completed. Good. Setup for personal use. Next. Skip. Then skip. Okay naman. Good. Limited experience. End user. Next. Not now. Accept. Skip. Not now. There you go. I think it got installed successfully. I do hope so. Hi. We're getting everything ready for you. Another waiting game. This may take several minutes. Hindi niya sinira yung PC na. Hindi na pala ako. Kinausap pa naman ako ni mama. Sabi niya, hey, na-post mo na ba sa marketplace yan? Para pambayad mo kay Ate Marina mo.
Ano naman gagawin?
Na-post daw yun sa marketplace.
Tapos sino bibili?
Malay ko, kung sino mo may interest.
Hindi ako may interest.
Ibenta ka rin ng 20k.
Hindi ako kaya.
Inasa marketplace na.
Tingnan nga.
Tingnan sa profile ko. Ay, hindi ko 18 eh. Hindi ko 18, wala akong marketplace.
Gawin mo kayo.
Bawal. Hindi nasira, hindi sana ibibenta.
Ha?
Hindi nasira, hindi sana ibibenta. Ay, ibibenta pa rin ba?
Mahalin. Ito mo na isip.
At least nga, kapag nga nabenta na yun, may pang-play ako magandang lens, pang-picture ko sa'yo. Oh.
Magagamit ko ba yun?
Ako gagamitin ko nga sa'yo para maganda pang-picture mo eh.
Okay na ako sa lens mo.
Hindi. Gusto mo bago pa.
Ay, naalala ko ng pinicture.
Oh, there you go. Windows 10 is now successfully installed. So that's all. Thank you for watching.